Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up to your account in GoDaddy. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First step is to open your preferred browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in GoDaddy. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the home page of the official website of GoDaddy, and here on the top right corner you can see the sign in option, click on it. Now to create a new account, you can see this create an account option, click on it. Now you have three different options to create an account. You can continue with a Facebook account, or you can continue with a Google account, or you can also sign up with your email address account. Here I am choosing this one. Now type in your email address. Now type in the username that you want for your GoDaddy account. Now type in the password. Now simply click on create account, and these are the simple steps that you can follow if you want to create an account in GoDaddy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.